My favorite day of the year, burn day on the homestead. Today we're going to be making some biochar, or some poor man's version of biochar. We're going to do that with the two piles behind me. We've got this smaller one and the larger one, but nobody wants to hear me talk. You guys came here to see things burn, so let's burn. I'll talk to you while we do that. I know if you're in this position, it's real tempting to just light the entire pile on fire and get this thing raging as quickly as possible. But what you want to do is light it from one end and let it go ahead and spread. That'll keep the fire maintainable. It'll also allow the critters that have called this home for the last year to be able to escape. And let's not forget, we have our cell phone on us. We have it charged. Front gate is open, so if the fire department does have to come this direction, they've got clear access to get all the way out to this pasture. I like to use this type of nozzle when I'm spraying over the fire. That way we can hit some hot ash if anything comes up. Laying down a cover of more water. I found this method does a pretty good job at not letting debris escape the fire. Today, instead of burning it down to powder, we're going to be replicating a forest fire. We're going to continuously rake out the coals, wet them down, pile them up, wet them down, rake out the coals. Not only are we improving our soil structure by adding this biochar to our garden, we're also giving the microbes a place to live. This version of biochar has a porous layer on the outside, which is perfect for little condos for the microbes that feed and love our plants. A fair share of these are going to go to the compost pile so they can be inoculated over the winter. We're going to mix them right in, and once we get to planting season, we'll use that inoculated biochar as a spot treatment for our plants. That way they don't have to work as hard to develop that environment.